today's HealthWatch, a new device is being tested that could offer new hope to people who can never get a good night's sleep. Here's Local 5's Connie Feldman.
Obstructive sleep apnea is a medical condition that causes the upper airway to collapse during sleep. In fact, 40,000 people die from it each year. Breathing stops or slows, so patients use a bulky and noisy CPAP machine for relief. But now there's a slimmer and more natural alternative. Obstructive sleep apnea impacts almost 1 billion people worldwide when their throat muscles collapse during sleep, blocking their breathing.
Sleep apnea is also related to body weight. As body weight goes up, the throat gets increasingly collapsible at night, and it can become so collapsible that nothing else will help to keep it open besides a CPAP machine or significant weight loss.
Some apnea sufferers are at normal weight, but dislike claustrophobic CPAPs attached to long, bulky hoses. Now there's new hope in an implanted device called the Genio that stimulates the nerves that help with breathing.
We're actually providing a gentle pulse to the tongue nerves while a patient is asleep overnight to help open up the airway by moving the tongue forward to unblock the airway and to help keep their throat from blocking up and to help potentially keep them from snoring as well.
A single incision under the chin is made. The Genio is implanted inside and is activated by the patient before bed, allowing them to get a good night's rest. There's no implanted power source, so there's no battery changes down the road. The Genio is being clinically trialed at Vanderbilt University, and researchers believe it'll be available for the public in 12 to 18 months. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Connie Feldman, Local 5 News.
Thank you, Connie. Monday in HealthWatch, a new approach to treating allergies that could actually get rid of them altogether.